Thanks for your response. In the last class, we have seen what is the data science. Data science, we define the data science as it is a process of extracting knowledge from the data using the scientific methods. Okay, and scientific methods are nothing but mathematical and statistical formula. Okay, and the data science is the scientific study of data to gain the knowledge and make the meaningful decisions. This is an another definition. Okay, this is the one definition. This is another definition. Now we have seen what is the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is nothing but the intelligence which is created by humans. That is the intelligence which is created artificially by humans. Okay, that is what is called as artificial intelligence. This is just to make you understand. But what is the definition? The definition of artificial intelligence is a field of computer science which is used to build intelligent machines capable of perform tasks that typically requires human intelligence. Okay, which requires human intelligence. And it is a process of developing intelligence machines which mimic like human. This is another. This is one definition, and this is a third. Artificial intelligence is refers to the intelligence displayed by the machines that simulates the human. In simple terminology, guys, you are making a machine intelligent so that it can behave like humans. That is what it is. Okay, the core mechanism of the artificial intelligence is you will create a model, you will give the data to the model. From the data, the model will extract the knowledge. What is this model is all about is it is a program based on algorithm. What is algorithm? It is nothing but a statistical formula is called as algorithm. So it is a step-by-step process of implementing the statistical formula is called as algorithm. Okay. Now, so we have seen the what is artificial intelligence, what is data science, and what is data also. Data is nothing but data is collection of the raw facts which requires to be processed to perform analysis. Analysis is nothing but you are doing a study on the data to extract the knowledge. You will be extracting the knowledge from the data. That is what is called as, analysis. Okay, the core component of the data is collection of the characters, collection of the numbers, collection of symbols, and collection of all the above. This I showed you yesterday. Like an image will consist of this, or a data, or any data you are taking, a CSV file, anything, even that one, it will consisting of this. These are the core components of the data. Now, the artificial intelligence is implemented using these all: machine learning, deep learning, time series, generative AI, and agentic AI. Now we are our course will be like artificial intelligence. We will go to the deep learning, then we will go with the generative AI, and then we will go into the agentic AI. Now, first thing is we will be seeing different modules. So first module is we will be looking at the fundamentals of Python, NumPy, pandas, statistics, and feature. This will be our first module. Okay. Second, again, don't expect that we will be going in depth of Python. As per our requirement from the data science prospects or artificial intelligence prospects, we are going to learn the Python. Okay, and one more thing I want to let you know, guys, you will be provided with 170 Python videos. Okay, you will be provided with 170 Python videos where you can learn end to end of Python. So I will cover the Python as per our requirement, the basic. But the core, if you want to become an expert, you will be provided with 170 videos and you can learn it. And if you have any queries, anything, I will always there to help you. Okay. NumPy, pandas, and statistics. What is this are used for is, see, NumPy, if you are dealing with the data, if you are dealing with the data science, data plays a very crucial role. Artificial intelligence, data science, data plays a very, very crucial role. So this data consists of errors. So we are going to remove those errors by using these things. Okay, NumPy, pandas, statistics, and feature engineering. NumPy pandas is used to remove the errors. Okay, statistics is used to identify the errors. Now, NumPy pandas, if they want to remove the errors, you have to say them what is the error. Based on that, you will be removing the error. Okay, when it comes to the statistics, it will help us to identify the errors. It will help us to identify the errors. Now, coming down to the feature engineering. What is the feature engineering is, even though there are some errors, some more errors will be there in the data, like scaling of the data or standardization of the data or balancing of the data. All these things we can remove, we can do it with the help of feature engineering. With this, our module 1 will be done. Then afterwards, after this module 1, we will be entering into our module 2. What is this module 2 is? You will be directly jumping into deep learning. And you will be learning with the ANN very much like very, very core things we will be learning over here. Like what is an activation function? Okay. What is a TensorFlow? What is the Keras? Okay. These things. What is a TensorFlow? What is a Keras? Now we will see that what is ANN, what is gradient descent, what is optimizers, what is back propagation. Okay, what is chain rule? All these things we are going to do it very detailed. Okay, and once you are completing this one, we will do it with the image processing, CNN, dropout layer, and this all will be like you will be dealing with the images, completely with the images. And after this, we will be jumping into the NLP. NLP will be our module 3. First, you will be doing the data acquisition, data pre-processing, data normalization, HTML tagging, vectorization, BOV, that is bag of words, and word to vec. Of course, here one more thing will be coming over here, embedding, bag of words, word to vec, RNN, LSTM, and GRE. With this, our uh, you know third module will be done. Okay. Once you are done with this one, so all the prerequisites for you to enter into generative AI will be done. So here you will be entering into Gen AI. This is nothing but your generative AI. AI. Now in generative AI, so first thing we will see that what is the drawback of this LSTM and what is the solution for that. That is we will see first the sequence to sequence model, then we will see the encoder and decoder, then we will see the self attention, then we will go with the transformers. Once you are in the transformers, okay, you will be that is like you will be doing that, you will be entering into the generative AI from there on. Okay, These all are prerequisites. Then we will be going with the LLMs, types of LLMs, birth model and GPT model. That is chat GPT is based on this GPT model. Birth model is another type of transformer LLM. Okay. Now we will learn the Hugging Face and we will go with the LangChain and we will go with the Llama and we will be doing the chat GPT. Okay. We will be doing with the chat GPT and we will be going with the Gemini prompt engineering. Of course, we will be first going with the prompt engineering over here. What is a prompt, how to give the prompts, everything. And then we will learn the chat GPT and then we will go with the Gemini, we will go with the RAG and we will go with the agentic AI. We are going to perform the agentic AI with the help of land graph. Land graph. Okay. These are the basic, like complete course we will be doing in 100 days. Okay. And again guys, definitely it will be, we will be doing the multiple projects, we will be doing the multiple projects, we are going to do it during this time, projects and a capstone project, end-to-end capstone project also we will be doing it. Okay. So this is your complete course content of your generative AI. In this, the machine learning will not be included. Machine learning, ensemble learning, time series, this all will not be included. Okay. We will be directly completing, as I told you, you will be getting the basic understanding of the Python, which we are going to cover it in a week's time. Then from there on, you will be entering into the NumPy, Pandas. So here we will put on all our foundation so that you are comfortable in moving forward. And once we enter into deep learning and NLP, then you will be pretty much comfortable to deal with your generative AI. So this will be your complete course structure. Any queries, guys? Any queries, please?
So the outcome of this course is like you are comfortable with the AI, or also you will be a AI provider or AI developer. What is the outcome of this course? Hello.
Okay, 1 second, 1 second. Yeah. Yeah, you are saying that what will be the outcome of this
Yep.
entire course?
Yeah, we will be
See, you will
comfortable or will
be,
be become a developer or something. What it is?
what do you mean by comfortable?
Say we are happy. So we are comfortable with the AI, how it works, and all those things. Or else we are. What kind of job we can be apply after this course?
Okay, see, it is not like, you will be comfortable with AI applications. No, it's not that. So here, what you're going to do it is, you will be learning complete um, end-to-end development of AI applications. Okay. First, you will be dealing with deep learning and you will be dealing with the NLP. Now, like someone was asking me, Sitaram was asking me whether this will be covering the CV, that is a computer vision. This is nothing but your computer vision only. Okay, Sitaram, this is nothing but your computer vision. And this is your NLP. So deep learning has the two major concepts. One is computer vision, which deals with the images. One is the NLP, which deals with the text. Okay. This NLP extension we will be taking forward to the generative AI. Okay. And then we will be doing all these things. So once you complete this course, what are the job roles you will be eligible for? You can become an deep learning engineer with CNN or deep learning engineer with NL. Okay, you can apply for the both. You will be able to do it end to end, and we will be doing everything hands on. It is not that I will be giving you the code or I will be showing you the code in the GitHub. No, nothing like that. I will be doing the code right away in front of you. If the errors come down, yeah, while typing, while doing, I will get the errors. You will see that what kind of errors they are, how we will be writing the code, everything end to end, you will be doing it. Okay. And coming down to the generative AI, here you will become an expert in the generative AI, because here you will be you can take up the multiple roles over here. You can take the prompt engineer role over here, or you will become a gen AI developer over here. You can become. Now after doing this course, again, I will not recommend you to do it, but if you compare yourself with any of the 3-year real time guide, you will be far, far ahead in these concepts. Whatever we learned it, you will be 100% far ahead on these concepts. Any queries, guys? Is it fine? Any more queries?
Uh, yeah, Arjun, I have a question. I'm
Yes,
actually a
Chetan.
working professional, Java working professional. I have
Great.
almost 8 years of experience. So, how this course adds value to my experience? I would like to know.
See, it will be something like this. You have to do it, Chaitanya. Which company you are working currently?
It's entity data.
And what is the designation? You got it over there?
Designation.
Yes.
Sorry, your
Designation.
voice is.
Can you hear it?
Hello. Hello.
Can you hear it, guys?
Yeah.
We can hear you both actually.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, I lost your audio in the middle.
Okay. So now what is your designation?
Integration advisor.
So you are a system integration advisor, or you have been working as any of
That is the
the
role, but I'm working as a Java developer for the
developer?
past.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine. Not a problem. So how you can do it is, how you can justify is, you have to put down that first thing is your company will be definitely having AI implementation.
Hmm.
100% sure they are having their own AI. Each and every Pratyoga company, they will be having their own AI implementation. So if you are a Java developer and you are already trained onto the AI, then you can easily step in into the AI project without any internally you can transfer it. No problem. First advantage is that. Second
Hmm.
is maybe some companies may not take it. Then what you can do it is you remove this last 2 years. I mean, it says you will not remove it. You will just replace that last 2 years experience as a AI professional.
Okay.
Okay. Now, when you
Yeah.
are putting your profile and you are searching for the job with the 2 years, 2 years you can easily manage. That's what I was saying.
Hmm.
3 years you can easily, very easily you can uh, put on after doing this course, because it will be an hands-on course. Okay, it's not that
Yeah.
key we will be doing like some theory or something like that. I will go on doing, no, you will be doing and I will be doing simultaneously. So with that, what happens, you can put on 2 years or 3 years. From past 3 years you have been working on the AI side. Okay, and I will
Yeah.
let you know how the questions may come up, how you are to place your projects, everything, because designation is just for the designation purpose. So if you can easily get a job. Now if they come down for the background verification also, they will check your designation and they will check your duration and everything. Nothing like what project they will be doing, what kind of technology, no one will ask you that. So this
Yeah.
is how the things will go on. So you can easily accommodate into the AI in this way.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Thank you,
Okay,
Arjun.
and definitely, like, you will be you may they may ask you the reason why you are shifting. Then you can say that I
Hmm.
was initially working as a Java developer. They have I have upskilled myself into the AI. Now the company has promised me the hike after doing completion of the first project, but they were not
Yeah.
responding, so I'm not satisfied. I'm looking out for the change. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Arjun. Yeah.
Yeah. Any more questions, please?
Arjun, just I have a crazy question. So it's not about a discouraging. It's about just to understand the facts. Okay. Uh,
Mhm.
so in general, a lot of big IITs, right? IIMs are offering a bits Bilani. These are offering 1 year this kind of courses, right? But how can you competing with them with a 100 days course actually? What we are missing here, or what we as it equal? How you can be differentiate actually? Because a
Yeah. Okay.
very basic level. Because I don't have the very clear picture. So
Okay. Yeah.
always
Yeah.
we are in a confusion, right? Which one to be opt? So how you can be compare?
Okay. First thing I want to let you know that I am a guest lecturer in IIT Madras. The program which you are talking, I will take there the machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. First thing. Okay. Actually, I'm not an official employee. I am a guest lecturer of the IIT Madras. What the program they are doing it. This is a program which is integrated with the IntelliPath, and I've been hired by the IntelliPath, and I will be giving the lectures over there. Now, this program is IIT Madras. Okay, IIT Madras with the AI program, whatever is given. This is nothing to do with the IITians. It is not restricted to only IITians. Anyone who is interested can go there and can do it. First thing. Second is I am not saying that I'm not degrading them. Uh, they have the certificate has a like very valuable, very valuable. Okay, the certificate. But when it comes to the technical skills, what happens over there? Again, I'm saying I'm not talking on the fly. I have my personal experience. Okay, that will be a 1 year course over the weekends. Okay, every 2 weekends, 2 days will be there. Each weekend we will be having 4 hours class. Okay, 4 hours class we will be taking it over the 1 year duration. I'm not talking about all the IITians. Usually, when you check it out with the IIT or triple IT or this integrated courses, they are over the weekends. Weekends ante 52 classes. 52 classes ante you can take it as 52 into 4 hours. That is like you can take it as 200 hours. And the same thing I am giving it. We are also giving 100 days every day, almost like 1.5 hour, and 100 to 120 days we are taking it. That's also you are getting the same thing.
Is it that like the syllabus both are covering the same, or are we missing anything?
You will be far ahead. You will be
Almost.
far ahead. Now, I will give you a small example. Now I will take like other institutes as well. Okay, whenever I have time, I will integrate with the US universities. I will take with this, I said that integrated course of IIT Madras. There are so many, I will be taking it whenever I get that time. Okay, apart from my job and apart from that, when I have it, I will take it. Okay. Now, as you ask this question, I want to let you know that, see, usually what happens is whenever you start the course or whenever you do the starting of the course, you will be given a very big, lengthy curriculum, which is, it's like this. Um, the smallest things also, they will put it in this curriculum. With this, what happens? It looks like very lengthy. And the unnecessary concepts, like, for example, statistics. Statistics, we don't require like 4 weeks. I'm says 4 weeks over there in a daily basis. If you take it, 4 weeks, I'm talking about. There, they will give you at least weekend classes, like 6 to 8 weekend classes we will be doing with the statistics. That much, according to my best of my knowledge of experience, what I have it with 15 plus years, I don't think so that much statistics is required, only theory. Yeah, interview, they may ask you some questions that you can easily manage it. But just imagine you are having 6 weeks. Of every week you are having 8 hours, just the theory of statistics. Then it will be like a hell for you. And there will be unnecessary stuff will be there, which will, and there won't be anything hands on. If I want to, I usually do that. I usually never encourage the putting on the slide or putting on the code and explaining the code. That is like a worst way. I feel that my personal. So if I want to write it, I will write it right away in front of you. It will take 1 day or 2 days. I will write the code right away in front of you, and even it will be very exciting for me, and it will be pretty exciting for you also. You do it simultaneously. But these people are having some restrictions. They will say that please don't write the code. You get the code, put it in your GitHub account, or you put it in their repository, and you just slide the show and then finish it off, and they will take the code from there and they will run it and they will enjoy it. Now I feel like that is not the right way to do it. Okay, now again I'm saying, um నేనేం డబ్బా కొట్టుకుంటలేను ఈడ. But that is the way you have to learn the data science. Otherwise it will, adi, it will not get into your mind. Okay, now I've seen the people who were at the starting. I met them, and right after the course also I met them. And they are almost like the same confusion situation. They are not able to differentiate why we are doing and how we are doing, why they are learning the deep learning, nothing. And again, this is not with only one institute. It is going on with all the institutes. You can go to any institute. This will be the one which will be done. And for me also, there is a strict deadline of 100 days. Now I have here flexibility of, I can extend it 20-30 days more. So if you have that flexibility, I'll, like, it is very comfortable. But if you are having a strict deadlines, now you have to complete the course of deep learning in 10 days or 15 days, and then they are behind you saying that why it is not completed, why it is not completed, then it will be like torture for anyone. Now I will move out of the track and I will finish it off the course. So that is how the things are. They are too commercialized. Now I will ask you a simple question. Okay, now in like maybe 15-20 years back, or 15 years back, maybe in 2010 or something, there were nothing, no courses were offered by the IIT, no courses were IIT offered by the IIIT. Now all of a sudden, why? There is a cloud engineering, the cloud course is offered, data analyst course is offered, AI data science course is offered, artificial intelligence with generative AI they are offered. Why now? Because they have to generate their own money, and that is the reason why they are integrating with the big organizations like, IntelliPath, like, Great Learning and all these things, and they are finishing off the course. There is no prior qualifications required for doing this course. If you want, you can pay the money and you can do it. That's it, finish. So again, I'm not saying that all of these courses are crap. The value of the certificate is like unmatched. Okay, that weightage of your profile will increase a lot with this that certificate. But coming down to the knowledge, I doubt that you will be so perfect, because everything will be a slideshow over there. Everything will be slideshow. That's what exactly happens. Hope it is clear for you now. Any more questions, guys?
Yes, Arjun, like I have one question.
Mhm.
So, as you are connected with Durga classes, So like in case of any questions, and if we want to reach out to you, so we will you be reachable like over a call or over a WhatsApp, or like how we can reach out to you?
Oh, yeah, I'm very much available. It's nothing, no restrictions from my end. I'm very much available. So I will share once the our official classes starts. These are our only demos. Once our official classes starts, okay, I will create a group, WhatsApp group, and you can put down the message or you can call directly. Yeah, I will try. I love to speak to you people, and I want to rectify all your doubts. But the problem is, maybe I may be in some meetings, or maybe I may be in the classes. Then I may not take your call, and I will text you back that I will call you back, and I will call you whenever I'm free. If you are available, then we can speak it. Or if there is a problem, is there like any of the problems you are facing with the code or anything, just send it and I will try to rectify it and I'll send it back to
Okay, that works.
you. Sitaram, um, daily it will be a minimum 1.5 hour class. Okay. And over the weekend, now as I'm saying it, if we are like everything we have to type it and everything we have to do it right away in front of you. So if some of the concepts, some of the very important concepts which I don't want to skip it off, then I may extend it over the weekend. That is also on your prior approval. So it will be a daily classes from Monday to Friday. Over the weekends we may extend it on your prior approval. That will be like 1.5 hour class, and officially again I'm saying it is 100 days, and as I move forward it will definitely go like 100 or 120 days like that. So if it is officially like 3.5 months, then it will extend it to 4 months, that's for sure.
Arjun, you are providing recordings along with the classes.
Yeah, yeah. The recordings will be provided, class notes will be given to you, and nothing will be a kind of and as I told you, like no pre-programmed programs. I'm not going to get it. So everything we are going to do it right away in front of you. So all the things will be shared with
Yeah, we are working professionals, right? Sometime due to urgent meetings, we might skip the classes so that if we provide the videos, we can catch up to the next phase.
you. Yes, yes, it will be there. And after the course is completed, the validation of these videos will be 6 months.
Okay.
Okay, after the course is completed. Before that you have to make sure that you have to complete all your stuff. Suppose if because of some reasons, okay, let's take it, because I know how it will be going on. Because of some reasons you are not able to attend any topics or anything which is very important in the deep learning or generative AI or anything like that. If there is a next batch is coming up, you can be a part of that. No problem. On the prior approval, you just let me know, and I will ask the permission from the management. They will allow you to get into my class.
But,
That I can provide it.
yeah, Arjun, I am working for JP Morgan. So actually, I am a Java developer with almost 15 years of experience.
Mhm,
But I am working on some of the supporting project kind of thing. I mean, I didn't write any code from the past 5 years. So high level managing and all those things I am doing. But
mhm,
instead of if I want to switch the company again, I need to go and I don't want to spend time on Java again. So instead
mhm,
of the Java, I want to spend the same time on AI and I want to move to the AI.
mhm,
Yeah, a lot of people who they are doing some POCs and they are showcasing those POCs on AI. And based on those POCs, I mean, they are proving themselves like they are doing POCs in AI and they have knowledge in AI. And slowly, whenever they are having chance to move to the AI projects, slowly they are moving there. So, can we have any POCs kind of thing as part of this course?
as a part of this course, whatever, see, one thing I want to let you know. Here, whatever we are going to do it, all will be a real time projects. It's not that key we will be doing some dummy projects or something like that, small projects and something. So everything will be end to end implementations. Okay. And how you can put down that experience or that knowledge into the POCs. I will explain you that. The POCs and the projects, whatever we are doing, everything, the code is perfectly same. Only thing is that the POCs, we are going to work on a specific task and you will build up a application. But when it comes to these projects, we are getting the actual data, real time data, and we are implementing it. So we will definitely do the POCs based on this coding. That's for sure. And you can
The
easily can display that one to all your higher officials so that you can convince them that you are very comfortable with the AI.
any resume preparation session, uh, just a request
Yes,
like if
yes, I was about to say that. I will definitely help you out with the resume preparation, how you have to prepare your resume, what kind of projects you have to put it on, how you can justify your experience. Just now, someone else was asking, Chaitanya, I think so, was asking me like how he can put on his experience integrating with the AI. Like that, each and everything I can help you out. I can help you out with providing you some sample resumes so that you can get an idea and you can prepare your resume accordingly, and I will validate it and I will ask you how you will be answering the questions. Everything I will be providing, but this is not on the daily classes. I will be taking it some extra classes over the weekends and I will give you that information. Definitely I will not can't make it in the daily classes.
thank you, Arjun.
Okay, anything else?
Hi, Arjun.
Hey.
This is my first class. Like I don't know whether you covered this question earlier. So how long is the course? Like the duration of the course?
Our course duration is 100 days. Okay. Now,
Mm.
apart from this, our demo classes, apart from the demo classes, we will jump into the mostly from Monday, we will be doing our actual course. Okay. And it will be like 100 days. And as I was saying it repeatedly, 100 days will not be enough. Now, so many people were asking so many, they are all valid questions and they are a realistic valid question, so which I have to address them. So I will be extending the classes at 10 to 15 days extra from the end of our actual deadline. So I already said to the management on that. They said okay, it's up to you, you can extend it like 10 to 15, 20 days. It's not a problem at all. So that's why I'm very confidently saying that it will be definitely extending to 120 days, which will be of 4 months. Okay, where we will be covering everything, whatever I displayed it. We will not cover the machine learning. We will not cover the entire Python over here, but whatever the Python is required for us to move into the data science and artificial, that will be covered. And simultaneously, we are going to provide you the 170 videos of the Python, which you can go through at your comfortness and you can understand it. If you are still having a doubt on the Python, like any topics, then you can let me know. I will try to take a extra class extending over the weekend. That's what I will be doing. And all these things will be definitely covered within this time frame of 120 days.
So the regular class is on the weekdays.
Weekdays will be the regular class, same timings. Actually, this batch timing will be from 7 to 8:30. But for this 1 week, we will be having at 8:30 to 10 o'clock. So usually this class timings will be from 7 to 8:30.
So Indian time, right?
Yes, yes, obviously, Indian time. IST.
So
Evening.
I'm connected from US. It is 7:30 my time.
Okay.
Um. So okay, the same time, 1 hour behind, right?
Yeah, we will be doing 1 hour behind over here. Is
Yeah.
it
So
fine?
you have. Yeah. So how many projects will be provided at the end of the?
See, uh, see, each and every concept, like when I'm doing with them, here you can take it as CNN or ANN. Each and every case, we will be doing a minimum 2 to 3 projects. 2 to 3 projects, end-to-end coding. That's what it is happens. And here also, when you look at these things, these all we are going to consider them, and these all are the prerequisites. These all are prerequisites, and then this is the actual implementation, what we are going to do it with the project. And then again, you can take it as minimum, we will be doing like 10 to 15 projects. All, and apart from these, capstone project. Apart from the capstone project, we will be doing 10 to 15 projects. Is it
Thank
fine?
you. Yeah.
Yeah. Fine. Any more questions, guys?
Just
One
one.
more.
Sorry.
I'm sorry. What will be mm, the at the end of the course, if you are looking for a job, what should be the title that we have to look at?
You are from US, right?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes. Can you hear me, Arjun?
Yes, yes. So in US, you can search for the job title like data science with CNN or NLP or generative AI, Gen AI professional or Gen AI developer.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Okay?
you. Yeah. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Yeah. Like Sitaram, you are saying that 8:30 to 10 slot suits me as we will. Okay. Let's see that, because actually, the management said to me that this slot will be, this actually 8:30 will be moved 1 hour early, and it will be starting at 7 o'clock or something like that. So let me have a word with the management. I will ask the concerned person to get in touch with you. Is it fine? Sure. Thanks. Okay. Any more questions? Vasu was asking some.
Yeah, Arjun, like so once it is recorded, like after how much time period it will be uploaded to Drive, so we can go through it.
I'm not aware of that all, but mostly on the same day it will be done.
Okay.
Mostly on the same day it will be done, because now it will be too late now. Maybe
Mhm.
tomorrow they will be uploading it. Tomorrow morning us you will be getting that, because I will be completing the class by 10 o'clock or something like that. Then they will be uploading that one next day morning.
Okay, okay. Because my intention was like if I miss today's class and before tomorrow's class, I can go through it today's class to follow
Yeah,
the
yeah, that's
continuity.
what, because
Mm,
now, no one, the management will not be working. It will be too late around 10
mm.
o'clock. So they will be first hours tomorrow. They will be uploading. I will make sure that it is being uploaded by first hours tomorrow, so that it is easy for you people to have a copy of that one recording to go back and say, go through
Okay,
it.
okay. And also, like I was trying to find you on LinkedIn. So can you share your profile as well? Once?
There is a problem is there with my LinkedIn, and you will not find anywhere in the social media. Um, I will let you know why it is. See, actually, you know, I'm having my own startup. I was having my own startup till 2021. I was 21, 22. I was having my startup and able to, I was building my own product. And this product was a part of the Anthem platform. Anthem you must be knowing it. Anthem is healthcare division. It's a very big company in US. They were building a AI platform, and there one of the small products, application was given to us, and um, which was given by one of the vice presidents of a company which was actually holding the project of the Anthem. They gave it, and when I was holding like till 2022, I was holding like around around 15 employees with me to complete that particular project, and that product has been sold to this VP, vice president, and vice president took and placed it in the uh, actual platform. Now during this time, that platform is actually a part of a very big company in India. Okay, now I can't take the company name. So when I gave my product, they wanted to merge our entire team into their company, especially their AI product, whatever. And all the 15 people went there, and my 15 employees joined the company, and they are very happy. But unfortunately, I didn't like the way the company was working, because I was having my own startup, I was having my own comfort zone, and I can work whatever. But there was a lot of that what is the politics goes on. So I was not comfortable, so I came out of that company. So when I came out, I signed a bond with them that I will be not working for next 3 years, or not start I will not start any of the startups on the similar products for next 3 years. This was like, you can take it as 2023 it happened, end of 2023. So till end of 2025, I'm not supposed to be there anywhere on the any of the, not even in the Naukri, not even in the Monster, not even anywhere. I'm not supposed to take any of the, I can't work any of the companies directly as an employee. So that's the reason why whenever I am doing this kind of freelancing jobs, and I will deal with the projects from US or Mexico, which will not affect my the confidentiality act what I signed with them, Employment Confidentiality Act. So that's the reason why you will not find me anywhere. Anywhere you will not find. At least for next end of this 2025, I have to go there, and I have to do it. And one more clause is also there, and whatever the upgrades they want to do it on my product, then I will be going and supporting them. Even that clause is there. So whenever they wanted, I have to be there at their place, and I have to train those employees, I'm says whoever working on that platform, and whatever the changes are there, I have to explain them, and then I will move out. That's what it will. We yearly twice they may call me in that way. So this is the last year. By the end of 2025, I will be free from this.
Okay, just curious to know what was your product?
That product was on the CNN, that is related to the image processing.
Okay. So is
Okay,
it something unique what we have in public market as of now?
see, it is not that it is a public market. See, it is the integration of the uh, whatever the uh, real-time scenario what they are facing with the Anthem. So there, one of the biggest problem was reading the images. Reading the images, actually that was able to be done by this the company which was holding the platform, which was integrating all this platform. So they can do it, it's not that they can't do it. But as I told you, a VP of US company, he managed to get that only one part with us, and that he's very close to me, he wanted to implement with us. So that's why we took it, and that gave a very good results, and they were pretty impressed. And that's the reason why, looking at the quality of the product and everything. They wanted to take over complete my all my resources, and they want to put it in the same project. That's how it happened.
Okay.
Clear?
Thank you.
Okay. Any more questions, guys? That's the reason why, all the time the people will be asking me, so why I can't find you anything anywhere. You can see it in the, if you have an access to the Naukri or any of these social media platforms, you will not find me. Very like big, because this is the reason. Wherever the professionalism is there, I will be out from there. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm not there. Okay, anyhow, so these are now, however, we are almost done with the time. So any more questions, please, so that I can end it up and we can continue with our class tomorrow. No
Like
question.
last one thing, Arjun. So like this is a 100 days batch. So like on what frequency the next batch starts?
I didn't get you on me. What do you mean by what?
Like this is one of the batch, right? So once this ends, like so when the next batch will start?
See, I'm not sure. It's usually uh, my availability and the management. I'm not sure that, because they never asked me about the second batch. So maybe if they start, they may start it in 15 days or 30 days, not more than that. 15 days, they will be starting the next batch. And that will be, again, I'm pretty much occupied. I will be starting early morning or late night. Otherwise, it will be difficult for me to handle it in the mid of the day. Uh,
So,
that's
yeah, Arjun, one more quick question. So, in DurgaSoft itself, there is another faculty who is also teaching AI, right? So, is the content is same, or else is it different what we have syllabus?
I am not sure about the content, what is they are teaching. Like I'm going with now. This is not an again. I'm saying, Sheikh. This is a Gen AI.
Okay.
This is not a complete artificial intelligence.
Okay.
Actually,
Specific to
literally,
generative AI. Okay.
I have to fight for this 100 days or 4 months. Literally, I have to fight for this 4 months. Otherwise, because I don't know like how they are taking, they are completing the complete AI course in 4 months or something, which is not possible at all. According to me, it is not possible, because we will, when you go with the AI, what we are going to do it is, you will do the Python. Okay, if we skip the Python, if you go with the NumPy, Pandas, feature engineering, statistics, and Matplotlib, Seaborn, and then AI, machine learning, and deep learning, time series, and in deep learning again, the computer vision and NLP. And apart from that, we are having something like generative AI and agentic AI. All these things, minimum, it should take like uh, if I cut off that Python also, it should take 5 months for me to complete it. For me, if I'm going with a decent speed. Okay, I am not saying very slow. I'm going with a quite speed, and I can do it. It will take minimum 5 months. This is my course content. Now, I never compared my course content with the other people over here, because I'm not sure that what they asked me my course content. I gave my course content, and they asked me like how many projects you will be doing. Then I said it. If it is like generative AI, then we will be doing at least minimum 10 to 15 projects, real time working projects. We are going to do it. And if it is an or data science with artificial intelligence, where we are covering all these things, it will take it like at least minimum I will cover like 25 projects over there. And all these projects, you will be able to do it on your own. You will understand each and every bit of the code and everything. This is the way I usually plan. So if I'm planning something like that with the artificial intelligence, there the machine learning will be covered, and there I will try to cover the all the required Python and whatever is there. Again, the Python is it the Python itself will take 1.5 months if you take it the basic and the core. If we are removing that and we are going with as per the AI and we are giving 170 videos, then it will easily take 5 months of the time for me to complete. I don't know like how they will be planning and what they will be doing, but they were. If I take it, I will take it. Now, if I start another Gen AI batch, it will be of 4 months. That is 100 days, and it will be 20 days extra from there on. 120 days we will be doing it. Now, each and every concept over here, when you come to the generative AI, from here, we don't need any coding. Now, why I'm giving the prompt engineering is so that if you are comfortable with the prompts, then you can play with the things in building up your applications. And only prompt engineering is a jobs are available. Only doing the prompt engineering prompts, creating the prompts, effective prompts, they will be there. So this is just a part of our generative AI. This is just a part of our generative. So you can understand the intenseness of this course. Like we will be doing the Hugging Face. This is a platform over there where you can create your own model, upload it, and you can use it. And LangChain, LangChain is very, very important. And then we will go with the Llama, which is a meta model. And again, this Chat GPT and Gemini are based on this BERT and GPT. We are using that. These are the products, and RAG and agentic AI and land graph. This is again, you will be doing a bit of coding over there, and you will be doing, but the intense coding will be over here in your deep learning. When you go to the your generative AI, it is like very less coding. It will be like a cakewalk for you people. That's for sure. Okay, you can play with the things over here, but for prerequisites is this: once you know it, you taste the bitterness over here, and then you will be able to play. It's a cakewalk for you from here. That's how the things will be going on. These all are the latest models which are available and which are very, very LLMs. I'm talking about the LLMs. They are very, very large language models, which we can use that one, and we can create our own applications using their stuff. Now we will use the LangChain and we will create our own models. We will use the Llama and we will create our own models. So with that, what happens is when you are having a job, okay, suppose if you are getting a job on generative AI, either you will be working on LangChain or with the Llama. It's not that you will be working both of them. So any one of them you will be working. You should be expertised with any one. That is more than enough. This is how the things will go. Okay.
Arjun, today is the last demo class, right?
No, no, no. We will be
Okay.
having a continuous demos till the end of the week, like till Friday we will be having. And this is a second class. So tomorrow we will be seeing like what is the life cycle of the data science, what are the different steps are involved, and then we will see the each and every um, like step inside the life cycle. And then once it is completed, then we will jump into the programming part. So this is like entire life cycle. You will be knowing it in our 5 days classes. And after that, mostly from Monday, we will be starting our actual classes. Like we will start with the basics of the Python, and I will give you some understanding about the Python, and then we will jump into the NumPy, we will jump into the Pandas, and I will make sure that you are really comfortable with the NumPy and Pandas. Once you are comfortable with those things, as we move forward, you can easily you can do the coding and you can understand the stuff.
Okay. So the TensorFlow, are you covering the TensorFlow as well?
Yes, TensorFlow, Keras, everything will be covered. So how it will goes on is this activation function I'm talking. Activation function is a small concept, very, very small concept in the coding part. when you write the code, that is, it's just a one single point over there. But we will spend it like enough time to over here to understand the what is the activation function, how the activation function, which activation, what are the different activation functions, which one we are going to use it when. And then we will go with the TensorFlow. I will understand the how the TensorFlow works and what is the internal components. Then we will go with the Keras. Once you have done with this, here till here, when you come down, you will do the almost all the coding required for your entire this CNN. And then you will write the code in the ANN, and then these are some of the components. Again, you will be knowing it. Again, these are a coding components. And then we will start our image processing over here from here. Image processing we will be doing. These all are different layers of the code, whatever we write. So first you will be understanding all these things, and when you start writing the code, nothing will be surprising for you. Everything you know it, and you can play with the things. That's how the things will go on. Here also, our major time we will be spending is on this. At least like we spend like 1 week time on this, and remaining 3 to 4 days we'll finish it off. Once you know this, all the internal components, then it is pretty easy to implement this. That's what I was saying. There is a way is there to learn these things. If we are jumping from here and there, we will land up nowhere. So it's a systematic way when we go on. When you start with the deep learning, start from here, because these things will be used over here also. So you have to start it from here, and you will go down over here. Once you have done, when you enter into this one, there won't be nothing surprising for you, because you already done, your fundamentals are very strong, so you can play with the things.
So every day is it a 1 hour class?
It will
how long?
be 1.5 hour class. It will be 1.5 hour class, and every day daily recordings will be provided to you. Like if in any case you have missed out any of the class, or you are going through the recording, and if you have any doubt, you can raise it in the next day. I will try to address all your doubts over there. And if you are wanted, like the multiple people are asking me to repeat a particular class, then I will request you to come down over the weekends. We'll fix a time, and then I will repeat the class to you completely, entire class. Okay?
Yeah.
Sure. I will end up the session over here. It was just a question and answer session. Tomorrow we will do it something productive, and we will do the entire life cycle of the data science, and we will move forward from there on. Okay? Chalo then. I will end up over here. Thanks a lot for your time. This doc will be there with the management team. Can you please raise a query with them? They will try to share you this document.
Sure, Arjun. Like, who is the go-to person in the management side?
You can see this. There is a message came down, right? This number you can call them. They are available.
Which
You can call.
number?
On the chat, you got it?
Actually, I joined in between, so it is missing for me.
Okay, I will tell you the number. Can you please take down this number, please?
Sure.
720
Okay.
721.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I will put it on over here. 720 721 2427.
Okay.
7. Okay. You can just call them, and you can get it. And I will provide you my contact details once, once we start with our official timings, official batch. Then I will provide you my timings, my contact details, and everything. You can be in touch with me. Okay.
Sure, Arjun. Thanks.
Thank you very much. Okay. I'm ending up the session, guys. Thank you very much.